Hello everyone, this is a LeetCode problem, remove palindromic subsequences. Given a string S consisting only letters A and B, in a single step you can remove one palindromic subsequence from S. Return the minimal number of steps to make the given string empty. A subsequence is generated by deleting some characters of the given string without changing its order. Let's take a look at the examples. ABABA is already a palindrome. We can remove the whole string in one step, so the answer is 1. ABB is not a palindrome. We can remove A, then BB, 2 steps. BAABB is not a palindrome. We can remove BAAB, then B, 2 steps. Or BBB, then AA, also 2 steps. Example 4 is an empty string. There's nothing to remove, so the answer is 0. This problem is actually very easy because the given string only contains 2 types of letters, and the examples showed all the cases. If the string is empty, return 0. If the string is a palindrome, return 1. The worst case is the given string is not a palindrome, so select all the A's and remove. Then select all the B's and remove. 2 steps maximum. So here comes the classic way to check if a string is a palindrome or not. First, we check if the given string is empty or not. Then we define 2 pointers, left and right. Left start from the beginning and right start from the end. While left smaller than right, we check if S left not equal to S right, means the given string is not palindrome, then return 2. Increment left, decrement right. Until this moment, if the program is still running, means the given string is a palindrome, then return 1. Thank you.